Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Limka. Today, let's learn the advantages and disadvantages of online and offline learning. Nowadays, online learning turns out to be more practiced due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Many traditional universities and schools started to share their courses and teaching online to not ruin the educational year. It represents an easy and comfortable method. Online learning is a great alternative to traditional universities, especially for people who can't afford the time and money to take real courses. But what are the advantages and disadvantages of online learning?
Advantages of online learning. Although many people still consider traditional schooling as the best way to achieve knowledge, online learning proves to be a great alternative. Students have the chance to study in their own time. It represents a great way to study many fields and to boost the level of self-motivation. Online learning is so effective because students can finish their homework quickly and there is more time left for their hobbies. And access to all resources of a traditional course helps students learn wherever they are, leaving them the freedom to choose the time for study. With basically an internet connection, a person can attend different courses. Among the advantages of online learning, there are the responsibility and self-discipline of students. Disadvantages of online learning. Only in a small group, a person can develop properly. At school, students learn how to make friends, be patient, get rid of disappointment, and especially to compete. Competition between students can be very stimulating and students will only benefit from it. Online learning cannot offer human interaction. It affects and strains the vision of the students due to sitting in front of the computer, laptop, phone, etc. and may also cause headaches. Another disadvantage refers to the fact that online courses cannot cope with thousands of students that try to join discussions. Also, online learning can be difficult for topics that are complex and need practical teaching. In conclusion, online learning should be seen as a way for safe learning and extinction of classical forms of learning. But not even the best online education can fully replace the personal contact with a teacher or the human relationships that develop in a group, so traditional classes shouldn't be replaced with online classes.
Benefits of offline classes. More personal face-to-face interaction with the teacher, which makes the subject more interesting to learn. The teacher will be able to understand if they were able to get their point across correctly to each student by asking them to do activities related to the task. It is easier for the students to get their doubts and misconceptions clarified as and when the subject matter is being taught. Whereas with online classes, a lot of lectures are pre-recorded, which makes doubt clarification very difficult except if the session is live. The entire class time in offline classes can be dedicated to teaching and learning, whereas with online classes, a lot of valuable time is wasted in resolving proper internet connection. There is a chance for the teachers and students to bond with each other and form social relationships. Online classes do not have much scope for social interaction among students. There is a much scope for classroom discussions and debates in offline classes. Classroom discussions and debates will broaden one's understanding of what is being taught as several different perspectives are being put onto the table. Whereas with online classes, it is just one person talking and the others listening or jotting down notes or asking doubts. The facial expressions and body language of the students will help the teacher understand if they are keeping the students interested in the class or not. In dance and physical exercise classes, it is essential for the teacher to check if exercises are being done in a correct way or not. This is very difficult to do in the online classes. Doing the exercises wrong can result in physical injury and will not bring about the desired benefits. Drawbacks of offline classes. They are more expensive than online classes. They require commute time from your residence to the location of the class and are required to arrange transportation. It is not the most convenient way of learning for introverts, since most introverts prefer being by themselves and turn to avoid social interaction. Overall, in my opinion, the pros of offline classes far outweigh the cons. I really wish this coronavirus pandemic would get over soon so that we all can attend offline classes and all the things would come back to normal. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.